Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Metal Summit 2014 here in Zurich, and with me here is now Riverside Resources and John-Mark Staude, who is the President and CEO of the company. John-Mark, thank you very much for taking the time.
It's great to be here.
What is your company about? Give us a short overview, please.
Riverside's a prospect generator company, and what we're about is making discoveries, owning projects, and having partners de-risk the projects while we own them.
Interesting. So you're generating the projects, and
Yes.
then you are partnering with larger companies, or can you
Exactly.
make some examples?
Yeah, so some of the examples currently is with Antofagasta Mining. So Antofagasta, we've recently been doing drilling in British Columbia, and we're doing exploration in Mexico with them. Also with a company like Hochschild Mining out of Peru. We're doing work for gold with them, doing joint venture projects, exploration. So they fund the work, we do the work, we work together with them. Also with junior companies. So it's a lot of fun.
Fantastic. Wow, that's very interesting. Is it limited, let's say, to precious metals, or you are also, let's say, in like zinc, nickel, or copper space?
No, we're actually diversified. And part of it is that in these down times and these tough markets, having a diversification is good. So we do copper exploration with major copper companies like Antofagasta. We do gold exploration, silver exploration. In the past, we've done as much as iron and different things like that. So we diversify in the commodities, always having an interest, always returning ourselves to have a royalty. So Riverside has multiple projects that have royalties. And by being able to come to projects like this and companies, we really are able to forward a lot of commodities.
Wow, that sounds very interesting to me. What is the cash situation in the company? As you said, the times are tough, and it's always important to have enough cash in the bank to get the business going.
It is. In our projects, we don't take too much cash. We have $3.5 million with no debt. That's Canadian dollars. And we've been able to keep those type of cash levels ongoing for many years. We haven't financed in over 3.5 years. We have a tight share structure of only 37 million shares.
Wow.
So after 8 years of running the company, only having 37 million shares, so yes, we have cash, and we don't need to go back and get more cash. And we've been able to demonstrate that that type of cash level is consistent with our ability to deliver our model.
Great. And when you say you get royalties, how much money you get per annum?
Each year we've been making between $1 and $2 million of different types of cash payments to us in different types of advance payments on the properties that we have optioned to other people. These aren't from production royalties, these are actually from property royalties on the different assets that we have and the fees that we're able to charge for the work that we're doing. So that adds to our cash position. We do use it in the exploration that we're doing. So we're not paying out a dividend, but we're not having to dilute with share financings either.
Well, that's very interesting. And also, I think if you keep it going, you can raise maybe the royalty stream years over years. And then you are anyway, maybe in the future, able to pay a dividend and to do the business.
Exactly, and so we've been able to do that. Each year we've been able to add 1 or 2 or 3 new projects to the portfolio, and with the different joint venture partners. In the good times we're able to have quite a few, in the difficult times fewer, but each of the projects moves ahead. In each project we are backed up with a royalty, generally a 2% net smelter royalty with no buyout clause on them. So that really gives us a lot of strength as a corporation.
Absolutely.
So yeah, we look forward to the future, and we're very solidly positioned even in this market today.
Yeah, and I think it's a long-term and solid business.
It's been working well for us, and the thing that's really gone well is the majors have done the due diligence. That year after year, we've had the majors choosing to do work with us, even in this last year of 2014. Tough markets, we got 2 new long-term alliances closed and working on. So that's a good thing. We get new joint ventures, even in the tough time. That shows how quality the properties are, quality of the portfolio. So yeah, it does work long-term and in the short term. With drill results coming in the next months, it's a really fun time. Yeah, so it's very exciting.
Very good. So you have a news flow. What is the game plan for 2015? Anything specific you can already talk about?
2 things that we can speak about specifically is some new properties that we're able to acquire in this down market. Because we have cash, and we have a tight share structure, we've been able to grab very good assets. So we're getting additional assets, and the results from the 4 properties that we picked up in 2014 will be coming in 2015. Those will be on copper with our partner Antofagasta, and those will be on gold with our partner Hochschild Mining. Both of them are well funded, moving ahead, so it doesn't dilute us as a corporation.
Fantastic.
So we're really set up for 2015. It's really going to be an exciting year.
Great. I love to hear this. Got to be exciting year, because that's what you need. Positive thinking in those markets.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Super. Thank you very much.
Super.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Riverside Resources, John-Mark Staude, the president and CEO. Well, you heard it, a great business model. They are a prospect generator, a project generator, and they get $1 to $2 million by now as a royalty stream already, $3.5 million still in the bank. And big partners like Antofagasta, like Hochschild Mining. I think compelling story. Have a look at it. Check it out. Thanks and bye-bye from Zurich.